In this video, I will be discussing Gujarati cuisine, Kathiawadi Thali. Kathiawadi food is the food prepared by the people of Kathiawar peninsula in state of Gujarat. We are going to Saurashtra. This Kathiawadi cuisine is available on the highway. This Kathiawadi food is also called as Kathiawadi or Saurashtra food. The Kathiawadi cuisine is vegetarian and is known to be very hot, spicy and salty. Rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, millets, peanuts and sesame are available in plenty and are used in cooking. As the Kathiawadi food is made of spicy and hot ingredients such as green chillies, red chillies, chili powder, garlic and ginger are commonly used. Methi masala, which is made with ground fenugreek seeds with red chilies, is often added to dishes for enhancing flavor. We have entered Kathiawadi restaurant. Let us have Kathiawadi Thali. The Kathiawadi food is completely vegetarian and people do not consume meat due to religious and ethical reasons. Some communities in this region strictly exclude onion and garlic in cooking. The Kathiawadi cuisine makes use of wheat, sorghum, millets to make variety of rotis which provide enough protein and fiber to the diet. The sorghum is also gluten free and is good for people suffering from celiac disease or gluten allergies. The cuisine also uses minimal oil and thus is good for heart. Jaggery is also used in place of sugar and this makes the sweet dishes healthier. Kathiawadi undhiyo is a traditional dish made with fresh legumes and vegetables in a coconut coriander mix. Patra is a dish where spicy gram flour paste is spread on patra leaf, rolled and then steam baked. Dhokla, made from gram flour and paneer, is a snack that is served with chutney or chunda. The chunda is a sweet and spicy jam made from grated mango. Thick rotis are called bhakri. Wheat flour rotis called thepla. Puri called fafda. ये गुजराती दाल है।
यस, ये कड़ी गुजराती।
ये गुजराती कड़ी।
ये सब पनीर की सब्जी।
किसकी?
पनीर कोफ्ता।
पनीर कोफ्ता।
यस, एक टिंडोरा की सब्जी।
टिंडोरा।
छोले।
छोले।
कठोर में ये बटाका टमाटर है।
हैं?
बटाका टमाटर। पोटैटो।
अच्छा।
ओके, ये ढोकला।
हाँ।
यस, ये दो रोटली है और बिस्किट भाकरी।
अरे सेव टमाटर मंगा।
सेव टमाटर मंगाना है। हाँ।
सेव टमाटर आ रहे हैं।
ये काठियावाड़ी है। Bhakri is made with wheat flour, onion, garlic and buttermilk. Side dishes for rotis are made with dal, beans or vegetable. The dal dhokali is a popular side dish made with tuar dal. This is Sev Tomato. This is very famous dish of Saurashtra. Ringan Nu which is a spicy eggplant dish, stuffed potatoes and stuffed jalapeno peppers known as Bharela marcha are also served with rotis. I found that there is a craze for Kathiawadi cuisine. Kathiawadi cuisine is created to suit the weather of the Kathiawadi region. Due to harsh weather conditions, not many leafy vegetables grow there. Also, people living in these areas are very hardworking. These factor reflects in the cuisine, which consists of a lot of potatoes, brinjals, tomato, bajri, jaggery, and more. They are simple, energizing food. To beat the chill, they use a lot of green chillies, ghee, oil. Hence, the food is spicy and greasy. For most Gujaratis, Kathiawadi cuisine is quite heavy on the stomach. Kathiawadi cuisine is a very elaborate. It has ample varieties on one plate. Ringan no olo, Lasania Bataka, Sev Tamatar, Bajra no rotlo, Rajwadi Khichdi or Kadi to name a few. Really, it is my favorite cuisine and it has a homely feel. It's best enjoyed in pleasant weather, that is during monsoon and winter season. Chas, that is chaj or buttermilk, is a typical Kathiawadi welcome drink and is super healthy. There is a balance of flavors and taste as well. Right choice of ingredients. Very nice. There are many reasons behind the rising popularity of Kathiawadi food in cities like Ahmedabad, Vadodara, and Surat. There are so many people from different parts of the country coming and residing in Gujarat, where it's Punjabi or South Indian. Most Indian communities love spicy food. Hence, the cuisine has picked up well. Moreover, more and more people are increasingly exploring native cuisines. Unlike many other international cuisines, Kathiawadi food isn't modified or modernized. It's about the same age-old recipes. Above all, Kathiawadi food items are quite reasonably priced as compared to other cuisines, mainly due to the use of simple ingredients. This makes a Kathiawadi Thali a wholesome, budget-friendly meal. I got one thali for price of 125 rupees only. Plus, it gives you kind of pleasure you derive from relishing maa ke haath ka khana. Really very fantastic. Whenever you go to Saurashtra or Gujarat, don't forget to have Kathiawadi Thali. Thank you for watching. Please share my video, and you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching.